Welcome to one of the world's most advanced banana stem factories, where farm waste is transformed into powerful, eco-friendly products. Today, you'll see how discarded banana stems become fiber, packaging, fabric, and sustainable materials used around the world. Let's go inside. Every journey starts at the farm. After bananas are harvested, the thick green stems are usually thrown away. But here, they're valuable. Trucks deliver fresh banana stems to the factory, where they're washed, cleaned, and cut into manageable pieces. Dirt, sap, and moisture are removed, preparing the stems for fiber extraction. Next, the clean stems move into powerful crushing machines. These machines separate strong, natural fibers from soft pulp. Inside the control room, technicians carefully monitor moisture, pressure, and fiber quality, ensuring every batch meets strict standards. The fiber pulp then flows through pipelines, heading toward drying and refining systems. Now the real magic happens. Heat, pressure, and precision turn raw fiber into usable material. Some fibers become thin threads for fabric. Others are pressed into sheets for plates, trays, and packaging. Every batch is refined and tested for quality, strength, flexibility, and durability. What was once farm waste is now a future-ready material. The finished products move quickly along conveyor lines. They're shaped, stacked, and assembled with speed and accuracy. Eco-friendly packaging protects each product, ready for shipping around the world. Nothing here is wasted. Even leftover fiber is reused or recycled. Before leaving the factory, every product goes through final inspection.
And that's how banana stem products are made, from start to finish.
Heading to stores, businesses, and eco projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes process documentaries.